If you performed a head clean or a powerful head clean and it still hasn't managed to clear the blockage inside your printer, now might be the time for a manual clean. To do this, we use the Ink Expert's Refresh solution and we manually inject it into the printhead. To do this, you will need to gain access to the printhead and may have to use some basic tools. We'll walk you through the process of cleaning a printhead out manually now. First, we need to prepare our cleaning kit. So first we put our little rubber grommet onto the end of our 10mm luer tip syringe. Make sure this is affixed and we can put this to one side. We then need to put some of the Refresh cleaning solution into a container. We've put it into a small mug and it makes it easier for us to fill the syringe with cleaning solution. Now we need to gain access to the printhead, and this will vary from printer model to printer model. So do make sure you research how to get access to the printhead before starting the procedure. We'll open the front of this printer and lift the lid. We then have to release the catch and pull straight up. Be sure not to open the lid too far if the ribbon cables are attached, as you could detach them. We're going to prop the lid open using a screwdriver, and now we have access to the printhead. We need to move this manually into the centre of the machine and remove the protective cover. These are the dampeners of the printer. We now need to remove all four. We use a small flathead screwdriver and push the catch that's at the front of each one back, and it will release the damper. We can then pull them straight up and remove them from the printer. Pull all of these dampers out and place them to one side so they're not in the way when we're cleaning the printhead. Inside of the printer you'll see the 4 spiked nozzles. In this instance there are 4 of them, as this is a standard 4-colour printer. This is where we need to affix the syringe with the rubber tip. Now affix the syringe to the nozzle you wish to clean. It will press on, and when it's firmly secured in, the syringe should stand up on its own. We can now press through 2 to 3 ml of the solution into the printhead. Be gentle when doing this. Should you meet resistance, don't force it, as you could pop the printhead. Once the cleaning solution has gone through, you can remove the syringe . You can now pop the dampeners back into place. With the dampeners back in place, ensure your tubing is secured, and then you can put the cap back onto the printhead. You can now follow the same process in reverse to put the printer back together. With the solution inside your printhead, we now recommend leaving it to sit for up to 24 hours, or no less than 12 hours. This gives the solution enough time to break down any material that may be on the printhead. Should it not have broken down all of the blockage, but you do see some improvement, you can repeat this process. But if after 3 times you don't see very much improvement at all, unfortunately it may mean that your printhead is dead and it's on to a new machine. Luckily for us, this one's up and running perfectly, and 99% of the time you'll find the same too.